Hello guys, in this video we are going to create a simple glass morphism personal portfolio website. We have here our navbar, here is our logo, and we have here this hover effect on the links, and also we have a hover effect on the button and on the social icons. It's very simple, we will make it from scratch. Let's get started. Okay, we will open the project with live server. Okay, now for the HTML. We will start with a container, dev.container and header, and we have here the logo, portfolio, and we have here the navbar, and now the links, home, and we have 5 links, portfolio, services, about, and finally contact. Okay, let's style the header first. We have here margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box, and now for the body, height will be 100 view height, and background image URL. I have here my image. I will leave this image and the whole source code in the description for you guys. Okay, now we will make padding 50 pixels, 5%. Okay, very well. Now for the container, position relative, height will be 100%, background color RGBA 0.1, and border 2 pixels solid, and RGBA, and it will be 0.2. Okay, and we will add a border radius 20 pixels. Okay, now we will give it a filter which are blur 30 pixels. Okay, now for the header, position absolute, top 0, left 0, width 100%, padding 25 pixels, 5%, and display flex, align items center, justify content, space between, and finally z index 100. Okay, now for the logo, a.logo, font size will be 25 pixels, and text decoration none. Or let me tell you something guys, let's take this one and make it on the whole page. Now it's better. Okay, and we will add a font weight 500, and finally color will be white. Okay, looks good. Now for the nav, font size 18 pixels, font weight 500, color white, margin left 30 pixels, and we will add border bottom to use it in the hover effect 3 pixels solid and transparent, and the transition will be 0.5 seconds. Okay, nav a, the hover effect, we will make the border color white. Let's see it now. Okay, very well. Let's back into our HTML to make the section. We have here the section, the home. We'll make an H1. I will write my name. You can write yours. And here is H2, front end web developer. and we will make a paragraph, Lauren 30. Okay, let's add social container. We will add here the button, download CV, and we will add as well .social icons. Okay, let's make our icons for Facebook. We will make 4 icons, one for Twitter and one for Facebook and one for YouTube, and the last one will be for the GitHub. Okay, now here is the icons and here is the button. I forgot something, guys. We will make 2 divs, one for the image and one for the text. Okay, we have here dev.hero text, and we will paste all of this, and let's make this and make another div for the image. Okay, now let's go to the CSS. We will start with home, display flex, align items center, height will be 100%, gap will be 50 pixels, and we will add padding 50 pixels, 5% and 0, and here the color will be white. Okay, now let's move to hero text, H1. We will make font size 55 pixels and line height will be 1. Okay, now for the H2, font size will be 32 pixels, and now for the paragraph, margin 10 pixels, 0, 20 pixels, and max width will be 600 pixels. Okay, now it looks good. Let's move to the social container. Display will be flex and align items will be center. Okay, now for the button, display inline clock, padding 10 pixels, 30 pixels, background color will be white, and border will be 2 pixels, solid white, color will be 333, this color, and we have border radius, let's make it 40 pixels, and we will add box shadow 0, 0, 20 pixels, and white. Okay, let's make it 10 pixels. And font weight will be 500, and transition will be 0.5 seconds. Okay, let's move to the hover effect on the button. We will make background transparent and color will be white, and we will make box shadow none. Okay, looks good. Now for the social icons, we will make margin left 20 pixels. Okay, social icons, A, display will be inline flex, padding 8 pixels, border 2 pixels, solid white, and border radius will be 50%. The style is not applied. Let's see what's the problem. Okay, we will take it. Okay, Twitter, YouTube, and GitHub. Okay, color will be white, font size will be 20 pixels, margin 0, 8 pixels, and transition will be 0.5 second. Okay, dot social icons, a hover, background color will be white, and we will add here box shadow 0, 0, 10 pixels, white, and color will be 333. Okay, now let's move to our image. We will make another div with class image box, and here we will get our images, portfolio. I will add this image as well in the description for you guys. Okay, image box, position relative, width 23 view width, and height will be 23 view width also, left 160 pixel, top 20 pixel, image box, image, position absolute, width 82, and display will be block. Let's get back to our image box div. We will add overflow heading, and we will make a border 2 pixel solid white, and border radius 50%, and we will make display flex, justify content will be center, and we will add box shadow 0, 0, 20 pixels white, and it's done. We have here our portfolio website. I hope you like the portfolio, guys, and don't forget to give a like for the video and subscribe if you are not, and see you in the next videos.